Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by selecting the chart so Excel knows what to remove. Click anywhere inside the chart area, a border and handles appear. This confirms selection. If charts overlap, open the selection pane to pick the exact object. Make sure the worksheet isn't protected, because Excel will prevent deletion if protection is active. Once the correct chart is highlighted, pause to confirm it's the right one and that underlying data won't be needed. This avoids accidental loss. With the chart selected, press Delete to remove it instantly. This only clears the object, not the source data. If you might reuse the chart, right-click and choose Cut to move it to the clipboard before deletion. For multiple charts, open the selection pane, multi-select the items and press Delete to clear them in one action. Make sure to save a copy of the workbook first if you want a restore point. This protects against irreversible mistakes. Finish by checking your worksheet to ensure the underlying data is unchanged. Deleting a chart does not delete cells. If the chart won't delete, verify that the sheet or workbook isn't protected and that objects aren't locked. Unlock via Review or Format Object. If you need the chart back, use Undo Ctrl+Z immediately or restore from a recent saved copy. For persistent issues, restart Excel to clear temporary glitches, then try the selection pane method again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.